As you step into this 4,030 square foot home, you will be wowed. Hi, I'm Anna Weddle with Harvest Realty, and I'm really excited to show you this beautiful listing. As you can see, this spacious home is absolutely gorgeous, and it's not going to last long, so you need to schedule your tour today.